When we think of planets, we often picture the familiar worlds of our solar system, but the universe is much bigger than that. Beyond our sun, there are countless planets orbiting distant stars. These are called exoplanets, and their discovery has opened up a whole new chapter in astronomy. Today we'll explore what exoplanets are, how scientists find them, and why they matter. Let's begin our journey into the unknown, starting with the basic concept of exoplanets and their place in the cosmos. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars other than our sun. Unlike the planets in our solar system, these worlds are scattered across the galaxy, each circling its own star. Some exoplanets are close to their stars while others are far away, and their environments can be wildly different from what we know. The term exoplanet simply means extrasolar planet, highlighting their existence outside our familiar neighborhood. This concept has fascinated scientists for decades, and now, thanks to advanced technology, we can finally study them. Much of history, exoplanets were just a dream. Scientists and astronomers wondered if planets existed beyond our solar system, but there was no way to see them. The idea of distant worlds sparked imagination and inspired countless stories. It wasn't until recent decades that technology caught up with curiosity. Powerful telescopes and new methods allowed us to finally detect these hidden planets, turning imagination into reality. The universe, it turns out, is full of surprises. Discovery of exoplanets owes much to the development of powerful telescopes. These instruments can peer deep into space, capturing faint signals from distant stars. With each new telescope, scientists gain the ability to detect more planets, revealing thousands of exoplanets in just a few decades. The rise of telescopes has transformed astronomy, allowing us to explore worlds that were once invisible. As technology improves, our view of the universe continues to expand. Today, astronomers have cataloged thousands of exoplanets. Each discovery adds to our understanding of the universe. Some exoplanets are massive gas giants, larger than Jupiter, while others are rocky worlds similar to Earth. The sheer variety is astonishing, and every planet has its own story. Scientists continue to search for new exoplanets, hoping to find worlds that might be even more unusual or familiar than those we've already seen. Exoplanets come in all shapes and sizes. Some are massive gas giants with thick atmospheres and swirling storms. These planets can be even larger than Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system. Others are rocky with solid surfaces like Earth or Mars. The diversity of exoplanets is incredible, and scientists are fascinated by the different environments these worlds offer. Each planet is unique, and studying them helps us understand how planets form and evolve. Every exoplanet has its own environment. Some are covered in thick clouds, others have oceans of lava, and a few may even have conditions suitable for life. The study of these environments is a major focus for astronomers. By analyzing the atmospheres and surfaces of exoplanets, scientists can learn about their weather, geology, and potential for habitability. The more we discover, the more we realize how varied and fascinating these distant worlds are. Finding exoplanets is a huge challenge. They are incredibly far away, often hidden by the bright light of their stars. The distance makes them difficult to observe directly, and their faint signals can be easily lost. Scientists have developed clever methods to detect these planets using indirect clues and advanced technology. Despite the obstacles, the search for exoplanets continues, driven by curiosity and the hope of finding new worlds. One of the most common ways to detect exoplanets is the transit method. When a planet passes in front of its star, it blocks a small amount of light. This causes a tiny dip in the star's brightness, which astronomers can measure. By observing these dips, scientists can infer the presence of a planet, estimate its size, and learn about its orbit. The transit method has been responsible for many exoplanet discoveries, making it a key tool in astronomy. Another important method for finding exoplanets is by detecting the wobble of a star. When a planet orbits a star, its gravity causes the star to move slightly. This movement, called a wobble, can be measured with sensitive instruments. By analyzing the star's motion, astronomers can identify planets and determine their mass and orbit. The wobble method complements the transit method, providing more information about distant worlds. Exoplanets are truly bizarre. There are planets where it rains molten glass, creating a shimmering, dangerous environment. Others are completely covered in water with endless oceans stretching across their surfaces. Some even orbit two stars at once, resulting in double sunsets and unique lighting conditions. These strange worlds challenge our ideas about what planets can be, and they remind us that the universe is full of surprises. Imagine a planet where the weather is so extreme that it rains molten glass. This phenomenon occurs on some exoplanets, where high temperatures and strong winds create a deadly environment. The glass rain whips across the surface, making these worlds inhospitable. Studying such planets helps scientists understand the range of conditions that exist in the universe, and it highlights the diversity of exoplanet environment. Some exoplanets are covered entirely in water. These ocean worlds have no land, just endless seas stretching as far as the eye can see. The possibility of water is exciting as it is essential for life. Scientists are particularly interested in these planets, hoping to learn more about their potential for habitability. Water worlds show us that planets can be very different from Earth, with unique environments and possibilities. Some exoplanets orbit two stars at once. These double star systems create unusual conditions, including double sunsets and complex orbits. The presence of two stars affects the planet's environment, leading to unique weather patterns and lighting. Double star systems are rare in our solar system but common among exoplanets. Studying them helps scientists understand how planets form and survive in different settings. One of the most exciting areas of exoplanet research is the search for planets in the habitable zone. This region around a star is where conditions might allow liquid water to exist. Water is essential for life as we know it, so planets in the habitable zone are prime candidates for further study. Scientists hope to find worlds that could support life, and the discovery of such planets would be a major breakthrough. Scientists are searching for exoplanets that are similar to Earth. These planets have the right size, composition, and distance from their stars to potentially support life. Finding an Earth-like planet is a major goal in astronomy, as it could provide clues about the possibility of life elsewhere in the universe. The search continues, with new discoveries every year bringing us closer to finding a true twin of our home planet. Water is the key ingredient for life as we know it. Scientists focus on finding exoplanets with conditions that allow liquid water to exist. The presence of water increases the chances of habitability, making these planets especially interesting. By studying water-rich worlds, astronomers hope to learn more about the origins of life and the potential for living organisms elsewhere in the universe. Even though we haven't found confirmed life on exoplanets yet, the search continues. Scientists use telescopes and instruments to look for signs of life such as unusual atmospheric gases or chemical markers. The discovery of life would be one of the most important events in human history, changing our understanding of the universe forever. For now, the search is ongoing, fueled by curiosity and hope. Discovery of exoplanets has completely changed our perspective on the universe. We now know that our solar system is just one of many, and that planets are incredibly common. This realization has expanded our understanding of space, showing us that the universe is full of worlds waiting to be explored. The search for exoplanets continues to inspire scientists and the public alike. Our solar system is no longer unique. The discovery of exoplanets shows that there are countless other systems, each with its own planets and stars. This knowledge has reshaped astronomy, encouraging scientists to look beyond our own neighborhood. The universe is vast, and our solar system is just one small part of a much larger picture. Planets are much more common than we once thought. The discovery of thousands of exoplanets suggests that nearly every star could have its own planetary system. This commonality increases the chances of finding interesting worlds, including those that might support life. The universe is teeming with planets, making the search for exoplanets more exciting than ever. Technology plays a crucial role in the search for exoplanets. Advanced telescopes, sensitive instruments, and powerful computers allow scientists to detect faint signals and analyze data. As technology improves, our ability to find and study exoplanets increases. The future of exoplanet research depends on continued innovation and investment in new tools. Astronomers dedicate their careers to searching for exoplanets. They use telescopes, analyze data, and develop new methods to find hidden worlds. Their work is challenging, but the rewards are immense. Each discovery adds to our knowledge, and the excitement of finding a new planet drives scientists to keep exploring. The field of exoplanet research is growing rapidly, attracting new talent and ideas. Data is the foundation of exoplanet research. Scientists collect information from telescopes, satellites, and observatories, then analyze it to find clues about distant worlds. The process is complex, requiring careful attention and expertise. Good data leads to new discoveries, and the more we collect, the better our understanding of the universe becomes. Search for exoplanets expands our horizons. It encourages us to look beyond our own solar system and imagine what might exist elsewhere. Each new discovery challenges our assumptions and inspires new questions. The universe is vast, and the possibilities are endless. By exploring exoplanets, we learn more about ourselves and our place in the cosmos. Search for exoplanets is ongoing. Scientists continue to develop new methods, build better telescopes, and analyze more data. Every year brings new discoveries, and the pace of research is accelerating. The excitement of finding new worlds keeps astronomers motivated, and the future promises even more breakthroughs. The possibility of life on exoplanets is one of the most intriguing questions in science. Scientists search for planets with the right conditions such as water, atmosphere, and temperature. The discovery of life would change everything, offering new insights into biology, evolution, and the universe itself. For now, the search continues, with hope and curiosity leading the way. The discovery of exoplanets has had a huge impact on science. It has changed our understanding of astronomy, planetary science, and even biology. New questions have emerged, and scientists are working to answer them. The study of exoplanets is now a major field, with researchers from around the world contributing to our knowledge. Search for exoplanets inspires people everywhere. The idea of distant worlds sparks imagination and encourages curiosity. Many people follow the latest discoveries, hoping to learn more about the universe. The excitement of exploration brings science closer to the public, making astronomy one of the most popular fields. Future missions will play a key role in exoplanet research. New telescopes and satellites are being planned, each designed to find and study distant worlds. These missions will provide better data, more discoveries, and deeper insights. The future of exoplanet exploration is bright, with many exciting projects on the horizon. Exoplanet research is a global effort. Scientists from many countries work together, sharing data and ideas. International collaboration leads to faster discoveries and better understanding. By working as a team, researchers can tackle big questions and make progress in the search for distant worlds. Satellites are essential for exoplanet research. They orbit above Earth's atmosphere, providing clear views of distant stars and planets. Satellites collect valuable data, helping scientists find and study exoplanets. As technology improves, satellites will become even more important in the search for new worlds. One way scientists study exoplanets is by analyzing their atmospheres. By looking at the light from a star as it passes through a planet's atmosphere, researchers can learn about its composition. This information helps determine if a planet could support life, and it provides clues about its environment. Atmospheric analysis is a key part of exoplanet research. Scientists look for chemical signatures in exoplanet atmospheres. These signatures can reveal the presence of water, oxygen, or other important molecules. By studying these chemicals, researchers hope to find signs of life or habitability. Chemical analysis is a powerful tool, helping scientists unlock the secrets of distant worlds. The orbit of a planet affects its environment. Scientists study exoplanet orbits to learn about their seasons, temperatures, and potential for life. Orbits can be circular, elliptical, or even chaotic depending on the system. Understanding orbits helps researchers predict what conditions might exist on distant worlds. Studying exoplanets helps scientists understand how planets form. By observing different types of planets and their systems, researchers can learn about the processes that create worlds. Planet formation is a complex topic involving dust, gas, and gravity. The more exoplanets we find, the better we understand the origins of planets. Planets change over time. By studying exoplanets, scientists can learn how worlds evolve from their formation to their current state. Evolution depends on many factors, including the star, orbit, and environment. Understanding planetary evolution helps us predict what might happen to Earth and other planets in the future. The search for life on exoplanets is full of mystery. Scientists don't know what forms life might take or how common it is. The discovery of even simple life would be a major breakthrough. For now, the mystery remains and the search continues, driven by curiosity and hope. The universe is vast and full of possibilities. Somewhere out there, orbiting a distant star, there could be a world very much like our own. The search for exoplanets reminds us that we are just beginning to explore the cosmos. The universe awaits and the adventure is only starting. Curiosity drives the search for exoplanets. Scientists ask big questions, develop new tools, and explore the unknown. The power of curiosity leads to discoveries, inspires innovation, and pushes the boundaries of science. The search for exoplanets is a testament to human curiosity and our desire to understand the universe. The adventure of exploring exoplanets is ongoing. Every discovery brings new excitement and challenges. Scientists, students, and the public all share in the journey, learning more about the universe with each step. The adventure continues and the future promises even more wonders. The discovery of exoplanets marks a new era in astronomy. Scientists now study worlds beyond our solar system, expanding the scope of research and exploration. This new era brings challenges, opportunities, and the promise of incredible discoveries. The study of exoplanets is changing the way we understand the universe. The promise of discovery keeps scientists searching for exoplanets. Each new world offers the chance to learn something new, to answer big questions, and to inspire future generations. The journey is long, but the rewards are great. The promise of discovery is at the heart of exoplanet research. Search for exoplanets helps us understand our place in the cosmos. It shows that we are part of a vast universe full of worlds and possibilities. By exploring exoplanets, we learn more about ourselves, our planet, and the nature of existence. Our place in the cosmos is both humble and extraordinary. The journey to discover exoplanets is just beginning. With each new discovery, we move closer to understanding the universe and our place within it. The adventure ahead is full of challenges, excitement, and endless possibilities. Somewhere out there, a world like our own may be waiting to be found. The journey continues and the future is bright.